Hello, this is Joe Root Academy, and I want to show you a system I've developed, a stock inventory management system, a simple one but very powerful system. The system has a section for the products, for you to enter your products, a section also for date range, for you to select the date of transaction, then section also for you to do your transaction, that is the sales and purchase transactions. You can have the update button. It will record the total sales, your total purchase, your profits, then your quantity available and your amount, the quantity or your inventory amount. So it is the system. So first of all, when you get a system, you first need to register your products. So you go to add products, then you start to enter your products names here, their price, that's the purchase price, and then their cost price or the selling price. So let's try to add one product to the list that I've already entered. So let's, for instance, add this product radio. Then the purchase price, let's say 5 cedis. Then you want to sell it for 10 cedis. So you just click on the add button to add. Only update your already entered products based on the price increment or decrease. The price decrease or the price increase, you can just click. Will display the products details for you here. Just update it. You just change the value description of the product. Just want to change, you just change it here. You click on update, it will update it for you. If you want to print it, you can also print it to display the print dialog or to display it in a PDF format for you to entering your product. You go back, you see that the available products are here, but the product which is at the top, available stock, that means there's no purchase. You just made the entries, but the others I've already made the entries, already purchased, their stocks are there. So if you want to enter your quantity that you bought, the quantity that you bought, you just go to this side, product drop down list here, select the product. Let's say the product is chair. Just select it, the quantity or the amount, the quantity that you bought. So you just select purchase. It will display the rate for you here of item that you bought. Maybe you bought 400 pieces of item. Then you check the dates. By default, it gives you today's date. But if you want to change, you just click on this icon here. It will open a calendar for you at the date of purchase. So this is the calendar. You just select the date. Maybe you bought it on 15th of July. So you just select the 15th of July. Then you click on add. So it will add to your system. But you see that the moment we added the item, we entered that of chair, but you see that it's not appearing here. It's because the range is beyond what we entered, because it was 15, but the range is starting from the start date 17 and the end date is 17, the same date. So if you want to change and see that product, the product you bought on 15th in the list here, you can select the start date from 15th, then the end date can also be the same date, 15th. Then you refresh. So the moment you refresh, you see that only the chair or the product you bought is already there on that day. So that is how the system works. So equally, if you made any purchase, so for instance, if you made a purchase, you can just select this to display all the purchase. But if you have made a sales, you just select the sales to display the sales here for you. And you see that the range that we entered is displaying the purchase that we made we bought 400 shares at the rate of 50. So the purchase is giving us what? It's telling us that the purchase amount is what? 20,000. But no sales because you have not sell any share. No, that means you're not getting profit. Then the quantity, the inventory quantity, the whole quantity the whole item in the store. Then the inventory amount is the whole amount of the whole item in the store. Now let's make sales. Let's sell something. Let's say you want to sell laptop. So you select the product and you select the transaction type as sales, then the quantity 5, then the date. The date, let's select today's date, which is 17th. Then you just click on add. The moment you click on it, it will reduce the number of items here for you. So the moment you make entries, you sell, it will reduce it. But you want to make purchase, it will just add to your system. So you can also come here, change the range, the date range. Okay, let's change the end date to today's date, that's current date. Then refresh it and see if I see that it is displaying the sales so far we have made from 15 July to 17 July. Then the purchase so far, if you click on this, display the purchase. If you click on this one, to display all of them for you, whilst calculating your profits for you. So this is the system. So this is the system that we have developed, and we are training people on this. So if you are interested in learning this system, you can just contact the number below your screen, or you can check the description to get a link to personally WhatsApp me or join the WhatsApp group to get the details of the training, the cost involved, and the resources needed. So please, I will be expecting you to learn this powerful and earn money. For our slogan says, learn to earn at the comfort of your home. Thank you, and please try to share this video, subscribe, like, and please give us comments as to any improvement you want us to make in our videos or our systems. God bless you all, and have a nice day. Bye bye.